welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can find these like Easter eggs on Bind and Icebox, like things that you can like break in that map. So let's just go ahead and lock in an agent. I'm just going to do this in custom just to show you guys, but you can do this in game. But if somebody already like breaks that like Easter egg in the map, you can't break it again. So this is where you can find the one is on Bind it's vases, and on Icebox it's the snowman. So let's just do that. I'm just going to end game phase so I can show you and pause the match timer. So you'll have to be an attacker on the Bind map. I'm just going to quickly go ahead and go there. So the vases that you can break, like the pots you can break, is here. So one is in this bit right here. As you can see, this one, you can break this one. You can also like shoot at this, so I feel like you guys already know that. And this one you can break. So let's go to Icebox. And now I'm just going to show you the sort of Easter eggs on, well, not Easter egg, I don't know what it's called, but like the snowman that you can break on Icebox. So let's just do that. I'm just going to wait for the map to load a little bit. Again, you can do this when you are playing the game, but I'm just going to show you guys in custom. And again, you have to be an attacker for this. Why do I keep on forgetting to be on the attacker side, but that's fine. Oh. Let's see, okay, there you go. You can break this one, like on this mountain, I think. Oh yes, you can. The rest you can't. And I think there's two more. I'm not sure where the other one is, but I know where this one is. You go here. There's a snowman right here. You can just, yeah. I think it's pretty cool for some reasons. Let me try to find the other one. Oh, it's this one right here. In mid. Yeah. And that's pretty much it for this video. I thought it would just be fun to find these out. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!